Hello, this is Lola from Gondor Group. Today I will introduce this music production line. The whole line is divided into three parts. I will introduce you one by one. The first part is including preheating machine, filter, and homogenizer. After the music into the preheating tank, it will be heated to 40 degrees in order to better homogenization. This part is the filter. It will filter out the impurities in the milk. After filtration, the homogenizer will be start to work. The function of this machine is to make the milk more delicate and easier for human people to observe. Okay, this is the second part. This is 3-in-1 machine because it have three functions. The first function is sterilization. After the milk into the tank, it will be heated into 80 degrees. It will kill harmful microorganisms. The second function is fermentation. If you want to make yogurt and cheese, you can add some bacteria into the tank. After 8 hours fermentation, the milk taste will be flavorful. The third function is cooling. The cooling will make the milk keep a long time. The third part is our CPI cleaning system. All the machines and the pipelines will be cleaning under the high pressure effectively. If you want to pack the music, this is our feeding machine. We can make the customized according to your output and your need. Okay, this is our production line. If you need this machine, please contact us.